I just want to go over how to use the various pricing resources that we have. The simple one is the price list. This is just a printable PDF that has a few of our more common sizes. It's got this number up here in the corner. If you put a 1 here, that'll just show you all retail pricing. If you want to see what 10% off is, you put a 0.9. If you want to see what 30% off is, you put 0.7. And that'll tell you, what the price would be at this discount level. So 0.7 is 30% off, and that's how you read that. I'm going to save that. For the pricing calculator, you want to make sure when you see a pop-up that asks you, do you want to enable macros? Yes, because macros are what make this work. You can quote one size at a time. So for example, 2436, it'll tell you what the unframed price is, what the wall mount price is, what the different prices for the different frames. If you're not sure what those are, you can click on this little eye and it will actually pop up a window and show you what that type of frame is. If there's a black square there, that means that size does not qualify for that particular option. So Duo and Curved is typically for smaller prints, wall mount, and then these other ones are for larger prints. If you want to quote multiple sizes, you can click here and you can quote multiple sizes. So you can load in whatever sizes you're interested in. One thing to note, if I type in, for example, the number 40 and I hit tab 1 time, it will automatically jump from the X to the 8. So you don't have to tab twice to get to the next cell. And it'll tell you, so for a 40 by 60, this is the price. We recommend the 1.25" frames for a print this large, because the 3/4 inch is single wall, and it's just not stout enough to support sizes that large. And then the last cell that I want you to notice is the discount markup cell. So this one, if I put in 30%, it'll show you the 30% off price. If I put in -30, that means that it's going to show you a 30% markup. So that's like if you're, if you want to see, if I want to make a 50% margin, what do I need to charge for this size? So that's how you can price your customers. But otherwise, if you just put not a negative but a positive discount here, see the cell changes to discount and shows you what that discounted price would be. And then finally, you can just click reset and it'll just go back to 8x8, and it'll, you can either add cells, remove them. And these plus or minus are just 1/4 inch increments, or I'm sorry, these up down.